Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. Today I will start a new lesson in our new semester in Junior 4. It is talking about your human body system, okay? And we are going to study in this term two systems, which is digestive system and also respiratory system. And the other system we are going to study them in the next year and also in junior 6, okay? Before I'm going to talk about your systems, I'm just giving you a hint, okay? And if I'm telling you that the sentence consists of words and the words consist of letters, you can tell me that it is happen like in your body. Your body is consist of things that smaller than it. Your body is like a machine. It consists of different and small parts. Okay? So your body is consist of something called systems. It consists of some things called systems. And also your body consists, and this systems consist of something that's smaller than it is called organs. What is meant by organs? It's like a part of your body. It can be seen by your eyes or it cannot be seen. It can be inside your body. It's like what you can see, right? You can see your hands, you can see your ears, you can see your eyes, you can see your nose. So it is like the parts of your body you cannot see it. You can see it. And also there are the parts of your body you cannot see it. It is present inside your body. It is like your brain, it is like your stomach, you like your lungs, and they are the different parts of your body you cannot see it. Okay? This is called organs. And then the organs is made of group of what? Group of tissues. It is not the tissue we are using. No, it's like a part of your body. Okay, this is form the organs. And also the tissue, it is about a group of cells, and the cell it is considered as the smallest part of your body. So let's see it that the smallest part of your body, okay, let's see it that the smallest part of your body, it is called cell. We call it cell again. So we have the smallest part of your body, we call it cell. So what is meant by cell? It is the smallest building unit of the living organisms. And then we are going to let the next definition for later, okay? And this is like the organizations that we said. It is like your school consists of buildings, and buildings consist of floors, and floors consist of classes. So it is like an organization. Okay, so your body is made of group of system, and and the system inside your body is made of group of organs, and the organs is made of group of tissues, and the tissues made of group of cells. Okay, that's all about it. So this is the pictures or the image of tissue, and this is the image for cell. Let's see the picture which is below. That is like a group of cells of different colors or different kind, like connected together to form tissues, and tissues form the organ. It is like the system we are going to take. It is about your circulatory system. We call it circulatory system. And one organ of your circulatory system, we call it organ. We call it heart. And this heart is made of tissues. It's like in this photo. And then the tissue consists of cells. Okay? So let's see that the next part that we have this girl. It has which is this part is pointing to your circulatory system, and the heart is like the organ of your circulatory system, And this organ is made of a group of tissues connected together, and then group of tissues made of cells. Okay, we are going to study the cell in details later, but let's see what is meant by your human body systems. Okay, so let's see. It's like a video talking about your digestive system. Before we talk it, we are going to know what is the function of each system in your body. Okay. Okay, so the human body is made of systems. Okay, the first one, it is called digestive system. It is responsible for digest and absorb the food. And we are going to know what is meant by digest and what is meant by absorb. And this is a picture or the image of your digestive system. Okay, so it digests and absorbs the food. Okay, say after me, it digests and absorbs the food. Your respiratory system, it is responsible for breathing process, taking on oxygen. Okay, so it is responsible for breathing, and this is the image of your respiratory system. So it carries out breathing process. And urinary system is responsible for that we have inside our body something, it is harmful, it is not useful for our body, so we must get rid of it. We are getting rid of it in the toilet, so the system which is responsible for getting rid of the harmful substance, we call it urinary system. So it helps the body to get rid of harmful materials. And then circulatory system, it's come from its name. It means like a circle, that like a circle, it's like a transportation. We can remember it's like a car or a taxi that holding above it two things, oxygen and digested food, and then take this to all your body cells. It's like give the food and give the cell the oxygen it needs. Okay, so your circulatory system, which is a response, which is pointing to the heart and then goes to all over the body, so it transports digested food, water and oxygen, and also carry the waste from the cells all over the body cells. It has two functions: it transports digested food and also carries out waste from your body cells. And then we have nervous system. It is help us for sensation, help us to see, to hear, to feel, to think, to taste. So it is the master. It is like a maestro of all systems. It controls all body systems. But we can say now it gives us the ability to feel, to hear, to smell, to taste. Reproductive system, it is responsible for producing a new individuals, a new baby, looks like the parents. And this is the picture of babies, of course. So it produces new individuals that looks like parents. So we can say it again. I'm sorry for that. Again, so we can say that human body, digestive system responsible for digest and absorb the food, respiratory for respiration, urinary for getting rid of harmful substance, and then we have circulatory for transport oxygen and digested food and waste outside the cell. Nervous, the ability to feel, to hear, to taste, to smell, and also reproductive for producing a new individuals. Okay, human digestive system, we are going to talk about its function in details. What is the meaning of it digest and what is the meaning of absorb? Okay, so if we have like a piece of like orange, a piece of orange fruit, okay? So and then we are going to put it on the tissue, okay? So can this tissue take the orange inside it? Of course not. When this tissue can take the orange, it can take it when it becomes like a liquid or like a juice, okay? So it must be in simple form so the tissue can absorb it or take it inside it. Okay, we can consider this tissue, it is like the cells of our body, and the orange, it is like the food gets inside. So we must make the food more simple so your tissues, your cells inside your body can get the benefits from it, can take the energy. So our body needs food to provide it with energy, vitamins and minerals. Okay, in order we get the energy from food, the nutrients of foods, we need to make it more simple. We needed to break it down into more simple substance by different organs and different cells in your body, and this is the job of your digestive system. Okay, and this has happened in different stages. Okay, so the function of it breaks down complex form for complex food into simple one. Okay, so if we have a piece of pizza, it's cutting the pizza into simple pieces. Okay, and then it's take those digested food into to all the cells in your body. Okay, so it is easy for your body to take the food inside it and get its benefit and take the energy from food and the nutrients from food. Okay, so this is called digestion process or digestion process. They are the same. Okay, so it is a process of changing and breaking down the food from complex form into simple one, from a complex form into simple one. So it is a process of a changing food from complex form into simple one. So we are going to talk about the structure of your digestive system. It consists of two things: digestive canal and digestive canal supplement. Okay, the first thing consists of mouth, esophagus, and also there is another structure but it's not seen here. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. I can point it here again. So mouth, and there is also here something called pharynx after mouth, and then we have something like a tube, we call it esophagus, and then we have a stomach, and then we have a small intestine. It's like something that folded, and then we have large intestine, and then we have a rectum, and then other parts like a liver, pancreas, and also we have salivary gland. Okay, this is digestive canal and digestive canal supplements. Digestive canal consists of mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Digestive canal supplements, salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. This is the pictures of, this is the liver, and this is the pancreas, and this is large intestine, and this is small intestine, and this is stomach. Okay, supplement, it means it is a helper. This helper of your body, help in digestion process. Okay, we are going to stop here and then we are going to continue the next lesson, inshallah.